Good morning, students. This is Monica from SK Public School. So today we will talk about the supply schedule and supply curve. In earlier videos, we talk about the meaning of supply and quantity supply. So what is supply?
So supply is the quantities of various commodity that is supplied by a producer at the different possible prices. Okay, कि जो प्रोड्यूसर है फर्म है वो मार्केट में किसी गुड्स की सप्लाई करते हैं एट द डिफरेंट पॉसिबल प्राइसेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड सप्लाई. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल as in earlier also we discussed that there is a farmer. Okay, there is a farmer and the farmer is having 100 tons of wheat. Okay, so that is stock of the farmer and the price of the wheat is rupee 500 per ton. So the farmer is ready to sell or ready to supply at this price only 10 ton of wheat. 10 ton of wheat. So what will be the supply? Supply will be 10 ton. Okay. So supply is the various commodity or we can say various quantity of any commodity that producers supply at the different possible prices, that is called supply. Okay, so as we will talk about the supply schedule, so first we will discuss what is schedule. So schedule, it is nothing, it is in demand chapter also we have talked about the demand schedule. So that was a table that showing the relation between price and the quantity supply, means whatever demand is there at the various prices, means different prices पे क्या demand रहती है. So that table showing, that is called demand schedule. Now we have supply schedule. So it is also a table that showing different quantity of any commodity at the different prices. Okay. So mainly we will discuss about two types of supply schedule. Two types. First we have individual supply schedule. Individual supply schedule. And second we have market supply schedule. Market supply schedule. Okay, so we have two types. First we will talk about the individual supply schedule. So individual supply schedule means the supply of a commodity by a single producer. Okay, that is called individual supply schedule. Okay, so here is the table of supply schedule, or we can say this is schedule of supply. So PX means price of good X. Price of good X. QX means quantity supply of good X. Of good X. कि good X की कितनी quantity supply हो रही है? QX is the quantity of good X and PX is the price of good X. So you can see table, when price of the commodity X is 5, then the producer is supplying 0 units. Means producer is not ready to sell any amount of the commodity. वो कोई भी amount को supply नहीं करना चाहता है when the price of the commodity is 5. Now the price of the commodity increase from 5 to 10. Okay, when price of the commodity increase from 5 to 10, then the producer or a firm is supplying 10 units of the commodity X. Okay, now price become 15, then producer is ready to supply 20 units of commodity X. Then price become 20, then the producer is supplying 30 units of good X. So what this table show that when price of the commodity is increasing, then the quantity supplied by the producer is also increasing. Okay, with the increase in the price of good X, quantity supplied by the farm or the producer is also increasing. So it shows the positive relation between price of the commodity and quantity supplied by the producer or a firm. So there is positive relation. Okay. This is supply schedule. Now we will talk about the individual supply curve. Individual supply curve. Okay. Individual supply curve. So this is individual supply schedule, individual table of supply, and now we will talk about curve. Okay. So we will make the supply curve on the basis of this table. Okay. So in table we are given Px, price of commodity X, and quantity X. Okay. So how we will draw? On O-axis we will take quantity supply Qx, quantity supply by the producer or a firm. On OY-axis we will take Px, means price of commodity X. Okay. So in table we can see initial the price of the commodity is 5. So we can take here the price of the commodity is 5. Then the producer is supplying nothing, means 0 quantity. Okay. But when the price of the commodity increase, it becomes 10. Then the producer is ready to supply 10 units. Okay. When the price of the commodity increase, it becomes 10. Then the producer is supplying 10 units of commodity X. Okay. So it will be like this. Now the price increase and it become 15. Okay. Price increase and it become 15. Now the producer is ready to supply 20 units. Then the price become 20. Then the producer is supplying 30 units. Okay. When the price increase, then the producer is supplying 30 units. So you can see that when the price of the commodity is increasing, quantity supplied by the producer is also increasing. Okay. So the supply curve will be like this. It will be like this. Okay. Upward sloping. We can say this is our SS. SS is supply curve. SS is supply curve. And what is the shape of this? It is upward sloping. Why? Because there is positive relation between the price of the commodity and the quantity supplied by the producer or a firm. जैसे जैसे किसी कमोडिटी का प्राइस बढ़ता है, इंक्रीज होता है, तो जो प्रोड्यूसर है वो ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी सप्लाई करेगा. वाई? क्यों ज़्यादा सप्लाई क्यों करेगा? बिकॉज प्रोड्यूसर मेन एम इज टू अर्न मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट ऑल्सो. उनका मेन एम क्या होता है कि उनको मैक्सिमम रिटर्न मिले, प्रॉफिट मिले. ओके. सो प्राइस इंक्रीज होता है तो इट मीन्स जो कॉस्ट है प्रोड्यूसर की वो पूरी हो जाती है. एंड like for example there is a marker making industry and the cost of producing one marker is 5 rupees. okay. तो 5 rupees में वो प्रोड्यूसर कुछ भी सप्लाई नहीं करेगा क्योंकि उसकी कॉस्ट ही पूरी हो रही है मुश्किल से. Then the price of the marker increase, it become 10. Then the producer is ready to supply 10 units. Why? Because now he is gaining profit, earning profit. Okay. Because the producer will also compensate to the employees. जो उसके काम करने वाले हैं, लेबर्स हैं, उनको भी देना है, रेंट पे देना है, मशीनरी का भी रेंट है. ओके, सो when the price is increasing, the producer or the firm is gaining maximum profit out of that quantity. जो क्वांटिटी सप्लाई करेंगे उनको मैक्सिमम क्या है, प्रॉफिट अर्न होएगा. ठीक है, तो जितना प्राइस इंक्रीज होएगा कोई भी फर्म और प्रोड्यूसर क्वांटिटी ज्यादा सप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस इज आवर इंडिविजुअल सप्लाई करो. ओके, so we have discussed about the meaning of supply and quantity supply. Then we have talked about the supply schedule. So it is table that showing price of commodity X and the quantity supply of commodity X. Okay, so we can see in the table price is increasing, quantity supply is also increasing. Then we have talked about the supply curve. Okay, we have two type of supply, individual supply schedule and individual market supply schedule. Then individual supply curve. So this is our individual supply curve and this we have drawn on the basis of this table. Okay, इस टेबल के बेस पे हमने इसको ड्रॉ किया है. So supply curve is upward sloping. It is positive because there is positive relation between the price of commodity X and the quantity supplied by the producer. Okay, so students, watch the video and also read this from your book and draw this diagram and table in your notebook. Okay, write the meaning of supply, quantity supply, then supply schedule, types of supply schedule, then write the meaning of supply schedule and also show the table, then draw this individual supply curve. Okay, so this is your homework, that you have to draw this table diagram with meaning in your notebook. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.